Good everyone, in this video I'm going to be going over the last trade I took on USDJPY and how I went about it. So looking at the daily time frame, we can see obvious rejection of old lows. You can see price rejecting old lows over here. You can see clear rejection of old lows continuously in price. Now when we have rejection of old lows, the next thing we can expect price to do is trade up into old highs. What we want to do is we want to mark out obvious old highs we can find, and then you can easily target the previous daily highs that you can find, or look for just some resting liquidities or imbalance, right? So the second thing you need to find out is, where is price coming from? We are seeing that there are obvious rejection at this level. The question is, at the left side of price, where is price coming from? Then if you pay close attention, you notice that this is another block level because it took out some resting liquidity. But then moving down to the 4-hour time frame, you can notice how this is a very clean order block. Now, what confirmed my buyers for wanting to take buys was because I have this hold highs as my target, and then on this lower structure, you can see price rejecting old lows, and then there's a small close above old highs. Small close above old highs. So what I want to do is I want to use this daily range to look to buy into hold highs. Moving on to the 15-minute time frame, which is my aligning time frame. I'm trying to look for key levels in which I have of interest to buy into old highs. Now looking at this structure, I'm trying to find out where is that particular level we can expect price to actually react from and then buy from. I'm going to take 30 minutes time frame. You can notice how it is this very small order block. Now right before this order block as well, you can see there was a build up of liquidity over here. Now for my previous video, I also mentioned about my previous video on inducement. I said that we have some case scenario whereby before the break of structure, before price break above this hold high, we might have price already build inducement before breaking structure higher. So once you want to see price take out those lows and then move on to buy side liquidity. That's similarly what is going over here. You can see price traded up, traded lower. We have this order block. Price already did a good level of pullbacks before finally breaking structure higher. So we already have our inducement, and then we have our order block in which we can trust, because obviously it's a very valid order block. And we also have inducements protecting that level. Place our buy at this level, then place our stop loss right below those levels. I personally place my stop loss at this area, believing that should be a very strong invalidation point. Then I'm targeting buy side liquidity. As always, target my 1 to 5. Let's just keep that around there. And then once the price run back into our point of interest, and just like that, USDJPY delivered a very clean risk to reward. I will see you guys on the next one. Yeah, boss.